Forcepoint DLP Online Training. Overview of Forcepoint DLP. Forcepoint Data Loss Prevention (DLP) is designed to protect sensitive information and prevent data breaches by monitoring and controlling data movement across an organization's network. Here's an overview of its key features and functions. 1. Data discovery and classification. Discovery identifies and classifies sensitive data across the network, endpoints, and cloud environments. Classification labels and categorizes data based on its sensitivity, which helps in applying appropriate protection policies. 2. Policy enforcement. Custom policies allows organizations to create and enforce data protection policies based on their specific needs. Predefined policies includes a range of built-in policies for compliance with regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. 3. Content inspection. Deep packet inspection analyzes data in transit to detect sensitive information, whether it is structured or unstructured. Contextual analysis understands the context in which data is used to make better decisions about data protection. 4. Endpoint protection. Monitoring tracks data usage and transfers on endpoints to prevent unauthorized access or data leaks. Control restricts or blocks the transfer of sensitive data via email, web uploads, or removable storage devices. 5. Cloud and network protection. Cloud integration extends DLP capabilities to cloud services like Office 365, Google Workspace, and others to protect data stored and shared in the cloud. Network security monitors and controls data flows across the network to prevent leaks and ensure compliance. 6. Incident response. Alerts and reporting provides real-time alerts and detailed reports on data breaches or policy violations. Forensics offers insights into the nature and scope of data incidents to support investigations and remediation efforts. 7. User behavior analytics. Behavioral analysis uses machine learning to identify unusual or risky behaviors that could indicate potential data loss incidents. Adaptive policies adjusts policies based on user behavior patterns and risk levels. 8. Integration capabilities. Third-party integration connects with other security tools and platforms to provide a unified approach to data protection. APIs offers APIs for custom integrations and automation of DLP processes. 9. Compliance and reporting. Regulatory compliance helps organizations meet various compliance requirements through detailed audit trails and reporting. Policy enforcement reports provides comprehensive reporting on policy adherence and incidents. Key features and benefits of Forcepoint DLP. Forcepoint Data Loss Prevention (DLP) offers a range of features and benefits designed to protect sensitive data and prevent data breaches. Here are some key features and benefits. Key features: comprehensive data protection. Forcepoint DLP provides coverage for various types of data, including structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data across endpoints, network, and cloud environments. Advanced threat detection. It uses behavioral analytics and machine learning to detect unusual patterns and potential threats, helping to identify and prevent data breaches in real time. Contextual awareness: the system understands the context of data usage, including user behavior, data classification, and data sensitivity, to apply appropriate protection measures. Granular policy enforcement: administrators can create and enforce detailed data protection policies based on data type, user role, and other contextual factors. This allows for precise control over how data is accessed and shared. Cloud integration: Forcepoint DLP integrates with popular cloud applications and services, providing visibility and control over cloud based data activities. Endpoint protection: it protects data on endpoints through comprehensive monitoring and control, including USB and peripheral device management. Automated response: the solution can automatically respond to potential data loss incidents by blocking actions, notifying administrators, or initiating other predefined responses. Detailed reporting and analytics: Forcepoint DLP provides extensive reporting and analytics capabilities, enabling organizations to track data incidents, analyze trends, and demonstrate compliance with regulations. User-centric approach: it focuses on understanding user behavior and intent, providing insights into potential insider threats and reducing false positives. Benefits: enhanced data security: by preventing unauthorized access and sharing of sensitive data, Forcepoint DLP helps protect against data breaches and leaks. Regulatory compliance: it assists organizations in meeting compliance requirements for data protection regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA. Reduced risk of insider threats: the system's behavioral analytics and contextual awareness help in identifying and mitigating insider threats more effectively. Improved operational efficiency: automated policy enforcement and incident response streamline data protection processes, reducing the burden on IT and security teams. Increased visibility and control: comprehensive monitoring and reporting provide greater visibility into data usage and security, allowing for more informed decision making. Scalability: the solution is designed to scale with organizational growth, accommodating increasing data volumes and evolving security needs. Implementation and deployment of Forcepoint DLP. Implementing and deploying Forcepoint data loss prevention (DLP) involves several key steps to ensure effective protection of sensitive data. Here's a general overview. 1. Planning and preparation. Define objectives. Identify the primary goals for implementing DLP, such as protecting specific types of data or complying with regulations. Assess needs. Evaluate your organization's data protection requirements, including data types, locations, and potential threats. Inventory data. Map out where sensitive data resides within your organization. 2. Design and architecture. Choose deployment model. Decide whether to deploy Forcepoint DLP on premises, in the cloud, or in a hybrid environment. Define policies. Create data protection policies based on your data classification and compliance requirements. This includes defining what constitutes sensitive data and what actions should be taken if a policy violation occurs. Integrate with existing systems. Ensure that Forcepoint DLP integrates with your existing IT infrastructure, such as email systems, cloud services, and endpoint security solutions. 3. Installation and configuration. Deploy the solution. Install the Forcepoint DLP software on the necessary servers, endpoints, and network devices. Configure policies. Set up your data protection policies within the Forcepoint DLP management console. This includes defining rules for data detection, handling, and reporting. Set up alerts and reporting. Configure alerts for policy violations and set up reporting to monitor data protection efforts. 4. Testing. Conduct testing. Test the DLP policies and configurations in a controlled environment to ensure they work as intended and do not cause unintended disruptions. Adjust policies. Fine-tune the policies based on testing results to improve accuracy and reduce false positives negatives. 5. Training and awareness. Train staff. Provide training for IT staff and end users on the new DLP system, including how to recognize and respond to policy violations. Raise awareness. Increase awareness about data protection best practices among employees. 6. Monitoring and maintenance. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor the performance and effectiveness of the DLP solution, including reviewing alerts and incident reports. Update policies. Continuously update and refine DLP policies based on new threats, changes in the organization, and evolving regulatory requirements. Patch and upgrade. Apply updates and patches to the Forcepoint DLP software to ensure it remains effective and secure. 7. Review and improvement. Conduct regular audits. Perform periodic audits to assess the effectiveness of the DLP implementation and identify areas for improvement. Gather feedback. Collect feedback from users and stakeholders to enhance the DLP policies and implementation. Configuring policies and rules in Forcepoint DLP. Configuring policies and rules in Forcepoint DLP involves several steps to ensure that sensitive data is protected according to your organization's requirements. Here's a general guide. 1. Access the Forcepoint DLP Management Console. Log in to the Forcepoint DLP Management Console using administrative credentials. 2. Define policies. Navigate to Policies. Go to the Policies section in the console. Create new policy. Click on Create New Policy or a similar option. This will guide you through the policy creation wizard. Policy type. Select the type of policy you want to create, example content inspection, endpoint protection, etc. Policy name and description. Enter a descriptive name and details for the policy. 3. Configure rules within policies. Add rules within the policy. Click on Add Rule to start configuring rules. Rule conditions. Define conditions based on various parameters such as content type, file properties, or user actions. This might include content matching, specify patterns, keywords, or regular expressions that represent sensitive data. Contextual conditions, set conditions based on file type, location, or other contextual factors. Actions, determine what actions should be taken when a rule is triggered, example block, alert, quarantine. 4. Set up response actions. Alerting, configure alerts for when a policy or rule is triggered. This may include sending notifications to administrators or users. Blocking, set up actions to block or restrict access to sensitive data if a rule is violated. Logging. Ensure that actions and incidents are logged for audit and compliance purposes. 5. Apply and test policies. Deploy policies. Save and deploy the policies to the appropriate endpoints or network locations. Testing. Test the policies and rules to ensure they are functioning as expected. Monitor the results to make sure they are effectively protecting data without causing unnecessary disruptions. 6. Monitor and refine. Review reports. Regularly review reports and logs generated by Forcepoint DLP to assess the effectiveness of your policies. Adjust policies. Refine policies and rules based on the insights gained from monitoring to better align with your organization's data protection goals. 7. Update and maintain. Policy updates. Regularly update policies and rules to address new types of sensitive data, emerging threats, or changes in compliance requirements. Training. Ensure that staff are trained on the importance of data protection and the role of DLP policies. Monitoring and reporting with Forcepoint DLP. Forcepoint Data Loss Prevention (DLP) offers comprehensive monitoring and reporting capabilities to help organizations safeguard sensitive information. Here's an overview of how you can effectively use Forcepoint DLP for monitoring and reporting. Monitoring. Real-time alerts. Forcepoint DLP provides real-time alerts for potential data loss incidents. You can configure policies to trigger alerts based on specific conditions, such as data being sent to unauthorized locations or accessing sensitive information. Policy enforcement. The platform allows you to enforce DLP policies across various channels including web, email, and cloud applications. Monitoring is continuous, ensuring that all data interactions are scrutinized according to the set policies. Activity logs. Forcepoint DLP maintains detailed logs of user activities related to data access and transfer. These logs include timestamps, user details, and actions taken, which are crucial for investigating potential breaches. Customizable dashboards. The platform offers customizable dashboards that provide a high-level overview of data protection status, policy violations, and trends. You can tailor these dashboards to display metrics that are most relevant to your organization. Reporting. Comprehensive reports. Forcepoint DLP generates detailed reports on data protection activities. Reports can include information on policy violations, incident trends, and user behavior. Automated report generation. You can schedule automated report generation for regular intervals, daily, weekly, monthly. These reports can be delivered to specific recipients or stored in a central location for review. Incident analysis. Detailed incident reports provide insights into the nature of data breaches, including the type of data involved, the method of attempted transfer, and the response actions taken. This helps in assessing the effectiveness of DLP policies and making necessary adjustments. Compliance reporting. For organizations subject to regulatory requirements, Forcepoint DLP can generate compliance-specific reports to help demonstrate adherence to standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA. Integration with SIEM. Forcepoint DLP can integrate with Security Information and Event Management (SIEM) systems to centralize reporting and correlate DLP events with other security incidents. Integration of Forcepoint DLP with other security tools. Integrating Forcepoint data loss prevention (DLP) with other security tools can enhance your organization's overall security posture by enabling more comprehensive data protection and threat detection. Here's how you can approach this integration. 1. Integration with CM systems. Purpose: centralized logging and alerting. Tools: Splunk, IBM QRadar, ArcSight. Method: use Forcepoint's native integrations or API to send DLP logs and alerts to the CM system. This enables real-time monitoring and correlation with other security events. 2. Integration with endpoint protection platforms. Purpose: enhance endpoint security and data protection. Tools: Symantec, McAfee, CrowdStrike. Method: configure DLP policies to work alongside endpoint protection tools, using API or pre-built connectors to enforce data protection policies and respond to threats. 3. Integration with network security tools. Purpose: monitor and control data flow across the network. Tools: firewalls, example Palo Alto, Cisco, intrusion detection systems, IDS, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS. Method: configure network security tools to work with Forcepoint DLP policies, using network data to trigger DLP actions or vice versa. 4. Integration with identity and access management (IAM) systems. Purpose: manage and secure user access. Tools: Okta, Microsoft Azure AD, Ping Identity. Method: sync user identities and roles between Forcepoint DLP and IAM systems to enforce data protection policies based on user access levels. 5. Integration with cloud security solutions. Purpose: protect data in cloud environments. Tools: CASBs, cloud access security brokers like Netscope, Microsoft Cloud App Security. Method: integrate Forcepoint DLP with CASBs to enforce data protection policies across cloud applications and services. 6. Integration with incident response platforms. Purpose: coordinate response actions and investigations. Tools: ServiceNow, Splunk Phantom, Demisto. Method: configure DLP alerts to trigger workflows or automated response actions in incident response platforms, improving reaction times and coordination. Best practices for integration. API usage: leverage APIs for custom integrations to ensure that different tools communicate effectively. Policy coordination: ensure that policies across different tools are aligned to avoid conflicts and gaps in data protection. Regular updates: keep integration connectors and APIs up to date to accommodate changes in security tools and DLP systems. Testing: test integrations in a controlled environment before deploying them to production to ensure they work as expected. Data protection and compliance with Forcepoint DLP. Forcepoint DLP, data loss prevention, is a robust solution designed to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance with various regulations. Here are some key aspects of data protection and compliance with Forcepoint DLP. 1. Data discovery and classification. Content inspection: Forcepoint DLP scans and inspects data in motion, emails, web traffic, data at rest, files, databases, and data in use, endpoints, applications. Classification: it uses predefined and customizable policies to classify sensitive information such as PII, personally identifiable information, financial data, and intellectual property. 2. Policy enforcement. Policy creation. You can create granular policies based on content types, data sensitivity levels, and contextual factors. Real-time enforcement. Forcepoint DLP enforces policies in real time, blocking or alerting on unauthorized data transfers or access. 3. Incident management. Alerts and reporting. The system generates alerts for potential data breaches and provides detailed reports on incidents for compliance and auditing purposes. Incident response. It supports automated responses such as data encryption or quarantining to mitigate risks associated with data leaks. 4. Integration and scalability. Integration. Forcepoint DLP integrates with other security solutions, example SIEMs, endpoint protection, and IT systems to provide a unified security posture. Scalability. It is designed to scale with the organization's needs, accommodating a growing volume of data and expanding compliance requirements. 5. Compliance management. Regulatory compliance. Forcepoint DLP helps organizations meet various regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS by enforcing data protection policies and maintaining audit trails. Data governance. It supports data governance initiatives by ensuring that data handling practices align with compliance standards. 6. User behavior analytics. Behavioral insights. Forcepoint DLP uses user behavior analytics to detect and respond to anomalous activities that may indicate potential insider threats or accidental data exposure. Contextual awareness. It provides context around user actions to distinguish between legitimate and suspicious behavior. 7. Encryption and data masking. Encryption. Forcepoint DLP supports encryption of sensitive data both in transit and at rest to prevent unauthorized access. Data masking. It offers data masking capabilities to obfuscate sensitive information in non-production environments. Incident management and response in Forcepoint DLP. Forcepoint DLP, data loss prevention, focuses on protecting sensitive data and managing incidents related to data breaches or policy violations. Here's an overview of incident management and response in Forcepoint DLP. Incident management. Incident detection. Policy enforcement. Forcepoint DLP policies monitor data movement and usage based on predefined rules and thresholds. Detection occurs when these policies are triggered by suspicious or non-compliant activities. Real-time alerts. When a policy violation or potential data leak is detected, Forcepoint DLP generates real-time alerts to notify administrators. Incident investigation. Detailed logs. Forcepoint DLP provides comprehensive logs and detailed information about the incident, including data type, user involved, and the context of the event. Forensic analysis. Admins can use the logs to perform forensic analysis to understand the nature of the incident, including how and why the policy was violated. Incident categorization. Severity levels. Incidents are categorized based on their severity and potential impact on the organization. This helps prioritize response actions. Risk assessment. evaluate the risk associated with the incident, considering factors like the sensitivity of the data involved and the potential consequences of the breach. Incident response, containment, immediate actions, implement immediate measures to contain the incident and prevent further data leakage. This may include blocking user access, stopping certain activities, or isolating affected systems. Remediation, policy updates, adjust or update DLP policies to address any gaps that allowed the incident to occur. This may involve refining rules or adding new controls. User education, provide additional training or awareness programs to employees to prevent similar incidents in the future. Recovery, data restoration, if data loss or corruption occurred, restore affected data from backups or other sources. System revalidation, ensure that systems are secure and functioning correctly before fully restoring normal operations. Reporting and documentation. Incident reports document the incident in detail, including the nature of the breach, actions taken, and lessons learned. Compliance, ensure that incident reports and responses meet regulatory and compliance requirements. Post-incident review. Analysis, conduct a review of the incident to understand what went wrong and why. Assess the effectiveness of the response and identify areas for improvement. Action plan, develop an action plan to address any identified weaknesses and enhance the DLP strategy. Tools and features. Incident dashboard. Forcepoint DLP provides a centralized dashboard to monitor and manage incidents, offering insights and actionable data. Automated response actions. You can configure automated actions for certain types of incidents, such as blocking file transfers or alerting specific teams. Why choose ProExcellency for Forcepoint DLP online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Forcepoint DLP, data loss prevention, online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often employs experienced trainers with deep expertise in Forcepoint DLP and cybersecurity. Their knowledge can provide valuable insights and practical skills. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover a wide range of topics, from basic concepts to advanced features of Forcepoint DLP. This can help ensure that you get a well-rounded understanding of the tool. Hands-on training. ProExcellency usually includes practical exercises and labs, which can enhance your learning experience by allowing you to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. Flexible learning options. Online training offers the convenience of learning at your own pace and schedule. ProExcellency's online format can accommodate different learning styles and time constraints. Certification preparation. Their courses are often designed to prepare you for certification exams, if applicable, which can be a valuable credential in the cybersecurity field. Support and resources. ProExcellency might provide additional resources, such as access to forums or support from instructors, to help with any questions or challenges you encounter during the training. Positive reviews and reputation. If ProExcellency has a track record of positive reviews and successful outcomes from past participants, it can be an indicator of the quality of their training. Thank you.